What's going on, guys? This is Big Ben, and today you're actually going to see a video or a clip of a guy actually predicting Bitcoin crash before it actually even happened, or sort of kind of predicting it. And that guy is actually me. And actually, this is the first episode of the best. What is it? What do you call it? The best of Big Ben's videos in 2018. Okay. So this is the first episode. I'm probably going to do this all the way until the end of this year to show you different clips of me just talking about the market. And these clips is from 2018. Now, the first clip that you're going to see is actually from 2017 of me talking about how I think Bitcoin is actually going to pull back a lot. Okay. And actually, when you see that video, you know, I was talking about it, and at the time I felt Bitcoin, you know, had the chance to go up all the way to the top and maybe probably go to 40,000. But if you've been watching me for a long time, you know that I changed my mind a lot because of the takeover. Okay, if you don't know what a takeover is, you know, subscribe, hit that subscribe button. I talk about it a lot during my live streams, and you know, I pretty much been right last year and this year. Okay, been right. I don't read any white papers. I don't read the news. I only focus on the chart. So if you want to learn more about that, hit that subscribe button right now. Okay. So let's go to that first clip right now. Pullbacks and crashes are not bad, but you will lose money if you are at the top. So you have to be prepared for that. So you got to say this. You got to say to yourself, do I want to either take money off right now, take some money off right now, and leave the rest of my position, you know, in the market, and or just say, hey man, if this does pull back, I'm willing to go along with the ride. You got to be real with yourself. You cannot, you know, you cannot lie to yourself and say it's not this Bitcoin is never going to pull back, or it's never going to have crashes, or is never going to do this. You can't. That's not realistic, you know. So I'm just basically pointing this out to people, that probably a major correction will be happening soon. I don't know if it's going to happen tomorrow. I don't know if it's going to happen this week or next week, but I believe, just based on the history, that you know, something will probably happen. So just be prepared for that. Well, what price? I would say probably around, I mean, just based on history, we can literally go back down to, believe it or not, we go back to 7,000 or even 6,000 or even 5,000. You know, based on history, yes, we can go back down that much. These bad altcoins are hurting the market. So for the people that's joining my chat for the first time, I'm not looking for a bottom. I'm not looking for a triple bottom. I'm not looking to buy anything. Trust me, I know that if I go to XRP, let's go to XRP real quick. XRP, I know XRP is at 55 cents. I know that's cheap. I know. But I believe the market will continue to go down. So I don't care right now if coins are cheap. That's not how I play the market. How I play the market is, okay, you know what? The big dogs are in control. The market is going down. I'm going along with them. I'm gonna make money going along with them, because that's how you actually make the real money. Because think about it for a second, right? Let's say that I decided to disregard this bull trend, right? The bull trend that we had this year. Let's say I just disregard this whole bull trend that we had this year. And I said, you know what, man, forget, I hate cryptocurrencies. I'm going to short it, right? Let's say I hated cryptocurrencies, and I said I'm going to short every time. So we have a bull market, and I'm shorting. Next thing you know, we creating new highs. I'm shorting. Look how much money I'm losing. I'm shorting. I'm losing all this money just because I'm doing things based on a belief, not the reality. The reality is the market is going up. That's the reality, right? But my beliefs, right,
I'm saying, okay, I hate cryptocurrency, so I'm gonna short it, and that's not, my beliefs are not aligned with reality. So when your beliefs are not aligned with reality in the market, you will lose money. So imagine if someone is kept shorting BTC. You know how much money they will lose. So this is the same thing that's what's going on right now, but it's the opposite. So let's say that you kept buying right here. You kept buying, buying, and next thing you know, you see your money just disappearing, because right now we are in a bear market, and this thing could continue to go down further. So you have to understand how to read the charts, right? Understand how to read the charts. We are making lower lows. We are below the moving average. So once you understand how to read the charts, then you won't go against the major trend, because when you go against the major trend, that's when you lose a lot of money. So with me, since I'm a professional trader, right, and an investor, I go along with the trend because I have to make money every single year. A professional trader, he has to make money every single year. So if you just only know how to buy, how can you pay your mortgage when the market is going down like this, right? How can you pay your mortgage? How can you pay your bills? If you do this full time, how can you do this? You can't. It's impossible. It's impossible for a full-time investor to pay bills while the market is going down, because their portfolio is going down. So they have to have multiple strategies, right? And one of these strategies is basically going short when the market is in a bear market. So right now, as we speak, I'm not looking for no buys. I believe the market will continue to go down. Right now we have another red day. I believe most likely this whole week will be a red week, and most likely we will crack this low. Now you have to understand, when we crack this low, buyers might come in. It's not 100%, but buyers might come in. Now let's say that buyers don't come in and we just crack this and then start selling off like crazy. Then that's definitely a bad sign. But usually when it breaks something like this, a very important level, buyers might step in. So what's going to happen is, if buyers step in, we might get another push up to the upside, to fool some more people thinking that, okay, this is a triple bottom, or whatever you want to call quadruple bottom. And then next thing you know, we're going to reverse and go back. This is how the market works. And once you know how to read the market, they won't be able to take your money, because the market is designed to take your money, right? And once you know how to read the market, then you can actually go along with the big dogs that's basically taking everybody's money.
So guys, this is the end of this video. Thanks a lot for being with me for the whole year. Thanks a lot for subscribing. I appreciate all my subscribers, and I'm going to put out a video like this probably all the way to the end of this year. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, especially if you're new to my channel. Hit that subscribe button if you want to learn more about this, and also have a great day.